Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to create custom match in Apex Legends. The steps are pretty quick and simple. Just follow my steps. First, what you gotta do is load into your game and load into the lobby. Once you're in your lobby, what you have to do is click on the game modes right here on the bottom left. And then up the top here, click private match. And then you have two options here, but we're gonna create the match since we want to host the game. Once we are loaded into the screen, what you can do next is look at the top right corner here where it says join code. Click on reveal and send this code to your friends to make them join the lobby. What you have to do next is click on settings and configure how you want your private match to be. After configuring all of that, click apply, go back to the lobby, select a team, and start your match. That is how to create custom match in Apex Legends.